going to be here in some time. But before that, let's have a look at the past also. The previous record for the world's largest photo album measured 4 meter by 5 meter, created by Johnson's Baby China, was unveiled in China on 10th June 2008. Come on guys, we have... Every day is an ode to the magic of marriage and is essential to secure a healthier and happier society. This day turns the spotlight to these positive aspects to encourage the young to look forward to matrimony. Well, it provides an opportunity to showcase the views, traditions, rituals and customs of Indian wedding that vary by religion, region, city and village. Well, without wasting any more time, I think we should start the auspicious moment of unveiling the same. Can I request the people to be here on the stage and let's unveil the wedding. Yes, I request the CEO of BharatMatrimony.com to be here on the stage. So I would like you to say a few words before you start. Yeah.
Good afternoon. First of all, my apologies for the delay in starting this, but obviously it's kidneys, it can't be. And thanks to our successful couple who have taken time to come and be part of the wonderful event. So marriage, you all know that's an important event. And Bharat Matrimony is helping millions of people to find the life partner. And what is not only helping people to find the life partner, it is about the making of the marriage. We strongly believe the future of the country depends on its citizens. A good citizen come out of a good parenting. A good parenting is possible only in the happy marriage. So basically, to build a successful Bharat through Bharat Matrimony, you have to ensure the marriages are successful. The future of the country depends on its citizens. Good citizens come out of good parenting. Good parenting is possible only in the happy marriage. And we have to play a role in ensuring marriages are successful. So Bharat Matrimony, while going to help millions of people to find the life partner, it's going to play a crucial role in helping the marriages successful. When you thought about this idea of making that, world largest wedding album, it was a year before. Why is it wedding album? While you spend lakhs of money, crores of money, depends on one's capacity in arranging the wedding. But what kindles that happy moments? When you go back to the wedding album, when you kind of go through it, wow, that's happy moments. Even to ensure marriage is successful, all you have to do is once in 3 months, go through the wedding album, see the happy moments. You know that, look, yeah, you have to ensure the marriage is successful. Then it's, look, it's not only creating a wedding album, create a world larger wedding album. So Bharat Matrimony understands the importance of marriage. We're definitely going to play a crucial role in ensuring the marriage is successful. So far I've been doing only helping people get married. Now all these things are going to start. Talking about, the Bharat Matrimony, you have millions of customers, you have 150 matrimony outlets, been growing great guns. Now we want to ensure we play our role in helping community, in supporting the marriages. What is the size of that world largest wedding album? 15 by 17 feet. We looked at someone in China and said, okay, India as a country, we can set the records. That's why the whole thing started. Thanks to all the people being part of this one, and our success couple and officials from Kindness are here. They want to certify in person. So thank you. I don't want to take too much of your time. So hard and all the things. Once again, thank you. Once again, wish you a very happy matrimony day. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Okay, something is wrong here. Any which ways happens. Okay, I think now we should start the unveiling for which all of us are here. Yes, I think it's again going to take a couple of minutes and we have to wait because all good things comes with a little of wait. So I can see all these beautiful couples in front of me and this is a matrimony day as Sir said. So I'm seeing so many couples right in front of me. I request someone to come up. Come on. I want you to come up and share your experiences with us. Come on. Yeah. Yes. Come on, a big round of applause for the couples right in front of us. How are you doing? Yeah,
hello.
It is on. It is on. So sorry for the delay, first of all, and I'm sure it's going to come with lots of fruits because we saw your photograph there. So are you proud of it?
Sure. I mean, this is something special. I mean, marriage is always special, and our photograph in the Guinness Book of World Record is always making it more special.
Yes, that's very true. That's really special. What about you, ma'am? How are you feeling?
I'm feeling good and it's a very memorable time.
Okay.
I think it'd be better if we can ask our parents for their advice.
Any which ways, we wish you a very happy married life. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so
Thank you
much.
so much. Come on, a big round of applause for the couple here in front of us. And yes, you two, please, on the stage. The two of you. Come on, a few words. आपको यहाँ पे
It's a great moment, like very happy to me.
and the thought that you're a part of Guinness
Yes,
Book
yeah,
of World Record. How do you feel about it?
it's a great moment. Like you tell me.
Yeah, we have beat China. That is, a great event for us.
Yes,
14
yes.
by 17, and
Yeah.
China for 13 by 16.
Yes.
Great event. And 256 couple in one
Yes,
album.
256
All over
couples in
India.
one
It's
album.
great.
It's beautiful, beautiful. We wish you a very happy married life. Thank you so much. And the mic has to be yes. Hello, good afternoon. How are you guys doing? Did you see a photograph there on the album? Oh, this is
Awesome. Not this is a speechless.
Yes, correct. What about you, ma'am? How are you feeling about it?
I'm fine.
Did you see yourself?
Huh?
Did you see your photo on the album?
Yeah.
How was it feeling?
Great.
That's nice. And couples, anything you would like to say? Come on, I've been seeing you waiting since a long time. Something.
I would like to say that we got married through Bharat Matrimony.
Okay. A big round of applause.
Thanks to the entire team, they put a great effort. And this is a memorable moment for us to be part of the Guinness Book of World Record. I would remember this throughout my life.
Obviously, you can tell your kids afterwards that your parents were in the photograph. So obviously, it's a very big thing. Thank you so much. Thank you. Shall we start the unveiling? Okay, good things are supposed to be delayed for sure. Here comes the world's largest wedding album in some seconds, I suppose. With a big round of applause, you have to welcome the same. Are we all set? Okay, and photographs are being clicked, so all you couples can see yourself tomorrow in all the papers and prints, yourself posing for photographs. Okay, hope for the best.
They're all our couples.
Should we start the countdown?
Got married to us.
250 out of top, millions of couples.
Well, as I said, that there are 256 couples in the wedding album. That's going to be superb. So, any idea, guys? How much time is it gonna take to go through all the photographs? Any idea? Maybe 2? Yeah, 256 great moments. So, how much time is it gonna take? 1 month? Oh, if you see properly, the jewelry, the dresses, everything. Okay. Well, let's have a look. Wow, I can see, and this is beautiful. I request all the photographers to just leave the stage. Just get sideways at least, so that we all can have a look.
Miniature instrument. It was good. That's good.
Okay, 5 more minutes, and then we can unveil the same. See, you have to smile the cord. Couple, that's your moment. Come on, a big round of applause for the people standing there. Come on, a big round of applause, everyone. Yes, and this is the moment. The largest wedding album.
This will actually work. They will turn around the pages and show you that it's a real album.
Okay, and it is beautiful. Can you all see the photographs inside?
Wedding album. Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip!
Come on, once more. Okay. Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip! Okay, all the couples, be ready to see the set. You want to give a big round of applause. Beautiful. Guys, since this is the largest wedding album, it is obviously going to take a lot of time to make this. And that is perfect.
Can we have the couples once again up? Yeah.
Everyone there.
Requesting everyone to kindly come and take their seats. Requesting everybody to just move aside and take their seats, all the couples.
All of you all please be seated and the couples, please be here. I think you guys are going to get enough time to take photographs and take their seats. All please be seated.
We would request media not to follow.
See how the adjudicator doing the needful. So all of you can just sit meanwhile and relax.
छोड़ दीजिए
You give me the final number once.
In fact, it's just 0 something less. Can you give me exactly 2000?
They can definitely. Yeah. Go ahead.
Samir, writing time.
I need to check the total number of people.
Samir,
It's the same. You need.
Let's measure that. Someone can see that.
You make this album and it's going in Guinness Book of World Record. What prompted? What's your aim?
Okay. See, today
थोड़ा
is
सा हिंदी में बोलने की कोशिश कीजिए।
हिंदी में नहीं मालूम।
Okay, sir. Rolling?
Yeah.
क्या हो गया? How much problem है?
Today is World's Matrimony Day. Bharat Matrimony